Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is eating 20 servings of fruits and vegetables while intermittent fasting. And if you're new to my channel, I practice intermittent fasting. I eat a plant-based diet for about 13 years, and I like calisthenics as well. So I'm going to show you exactly what I had today. On this day at 1 p.m., I made a smoothie. Now this had 3 dates. It had about 6 strawberries. I put in 6 frozen ripe bananas. Now for my bananas, I freeze them when they're nice and ripe, so they're sweet with the peel on. Then I throw them in a tub of hot water for 4 minutes or so, and they thaw right out and they come right out the peel. I also put in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, a little cinnamon, and 1 cup of almond milk. So I call this my date banana smoothie, and this is one of my favorite smoothies I've been making a lot lately. I like to start out my first meal either with a smoothie or a fruit, something nice and hydrating, and I generally have that first meal around 1 p.m. I do my workout typically around 11 a.m. So blended that up in my Vitamix, and this makes a little over a liter. Nice and delicious. Ate that thing with a spoon. It was nice and thick. Then at 3:30 p.m., I had a bowl of oranges. There's 3 to 4 oranges in there. And then at 5 p.m., I had a salad. It had greens, a cucumber, an apple, an avocado, had carrots and tomatoes. Then at 7 p.m., I had 2 bowls of this homemade Thai vegetable soup. It had sweet potatoes and some other vegetables in it as well as a little side of prunes and some peanuts. And I did end up having 2 bowls of the soup. Then just after that, I had a little bit of dark chocolate chips for dessert. And that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Comment, let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.